Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how to use AI draw option on the designs.ai website. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to go to our designs.ai website and then we have to create our account. And after that, as you can see, you will be able to see the AI draw option here. So we have to click on this AI draw option. So I'm going to open this in a new link. Let's click on this. So as you can see now it's open. Now what we have to do, simply we have to create like this and you will get the result like this. So as you can see, for example, I'm going to make a car here, or we can also insert a boat here. Let's draw the boat, and then I'm going to draw the boat like this here. So as you can see, and I'm going to draw like this, and you will be able to get the result here. So as you can see now it's done. You have to choose that what you want to draw. So in this way you can draw any kind of thing and you will get the result here. If you want to erase any kind of thing, you can also do that. Here's the eraser. And if you want to erase this, you can also erase these such things. As you can see, for example, I'm going to erase these one, and this will be also saved and you will get the result here. So as you can see, the thing I have added, like it looks like a bench or the table I have added. So in this way you can add the boat or the table. You have to draw that clearly and after that you will get the result. So in this way, you can use the AI draw option on the designs.ai website. I hope you guys understand this video that how you can do that. So see you guys in the next video.